How to cash out. Stocks on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to cash out stocks on Cash App. The first step is to launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. Once you do that, you will come to the home page of the app. After that, go to the bottom menu where you will see more options. From those options, make sure you tap on the bank icon. Here it is. After doing that, this other page appears. This has features related to money. Next, scroll down and come to this section here named Stocks. Tap on it. After doing that, you will see a page that has information about the stock market. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. At the bottom, there is a section where you can see the stocks you have bought in Cash App. It is called My Investments. From the list of stocks, select the one you want to cash out, so go ahead and tap on it. After that, this page appears, where you will find important information on the stock. Our aim today is to sell the stock, so go ahead and tap here, Sell. This page then appears with information about your order to sell the stocks. Make sure you go through it carefully to check if everything is correct. After that, tap Confirm, and the order will be completed. Come back to the home page of the app. Once you are here, go to the bottom of the page and tap the bank option. The money from the stocks you sold will be moved to your Cash App balance. To access that, all you have to do is tap here, Withdraw. Then a menu showing predefined amounts appears. You can either choose an amount from here or enter a custom amount by tapping on the three dots. Once you do that, enter the amount and go ahead and withdraw the money. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to cash out stocks on Cash App.